unaripotiwa urachokio kwa nyutha iti riu ndarigwo atiri nikindeka riu ngai wakwa na ni gutiri undu njikite ndukanende kuga experience ya guthijera my friend riu ningiona kaba kwanyu ni gwitu riu ni borithi ni citi kumenyaga ni ona korwo reke ngwire ngai ya mundu favor tondu thigari icio si nitiritire tadi non tondu ikiguthithia na business class ugo ndugeciria ni mwago ni undu adequate safaris muri abata adequate safari burathibwo woi ngai morini kabu. May God bless you. Ni dumire heyo gityo muno undu wa mbere nyuma business class wakeri ni marona hali handikitwo artist wa gatatu mbeca iria ciandikitwo contract ini tondu ningi ndugikorwo ati uragiri ko no nginya ngikorwo kiuma urathi kugira mbeca ciina mutwe. Riu ni ndajia kurushuri adori umete ko jamera me am from Kenya. Are you a celebrity? Yeah, majira damera kwanza baddest celebrity majeti ya TikTok yako tabu ni follow me TikTok actually mundu tani follow tikile kuni follow TikTok tondu ne muni okoye gayorobo rabiba gayorobo enda gayorobo toria tondu riria wonire TikTok yakwa mokire ringi majoria you are the one. Yeah, mathie marora likes dena 17 million. Whether the TikTok ni akawona dena 17 million likes from Kenyans. Na tiatini Kenya ni muge koyo. I salute you. Inye muri ado afata muno. Ule Dorio Julia. Dorio Tiredi. What have you come here to do? Damena nini jikaraga igigacokia kio nyenda guthikiriria wega kai 17.5 million icio nicio ciniokoire actually tondu majitigirire muno majirie you are the conqueror damera ngai kore baba na boy guku ngai ange ngai ndo tige riria joni ndo wanjia gwitigira na njia kuimbia gathuri riu nginya githungu kiumire haya damera ni the artist jokita ku perform na doka ku perform event yetagwo Gemi Majira event yenye mnafaa kuja ku perform it has already cancelled niki tondu mundu ya wajetheire visa ogwito kama ule wajetheire visa ri darenda perform event ino tondu arenda riria ngatiwa guka guku ri ngoro newe odehete na ni ndikire na problem ni ndiramuhegete ona kamucokeria ngatho ni undu ucio no riri nituraiguithanitie na Kamauga mwira atiriri kama reke ni njuke hure mugithi ihinda ria kuria kinya tondu visa yakwa ti expired ri ona yaku nogo ithe ndibudare guku ithe ndacoka ringi na ithe twagacoka ringi like that tukenie mashabiki kegwire auma hoka kairitu kanjira ndute nguo hena bafu na hena gitanda na ugo ndona ni acokia murango na ni muthigari ona ndikati ona ndingitindade andagwa ni kono ugo barenda ri ndie na problem ndiuka ndaruta nguo ekira gloves oka githukagia athukio rimwe athukio meri kena auma hoka mudhuria ajuria tiriri how much do you make per month in Kenya? Riu kiroria riu matikionire ndi mundu ina idora ni mona njukire na business riu ndaruta ma contract mariangu ni riu ma contract mariangu alafu ni tuthakaga na keru 1 2 3 uguo ni gukoretwo ndamu tax na kianjikirie contract kiego uguo kiandikitwo mbeca nyingi Majira harusa you are free to go but remember on Sunday we are coming for you so muthugu uyu aretwo irimari akiuga riu ni agoka na thigari icio cia immigration iri thina namba cia thigari cia immigration na damera atiriri ndire ike ndina mundu ngiuroka ugwitwo DJ Dibul ndiweciria DJ Dibul ni anyitirwo maundu make mothe ni ku create tondu riki Ngai ekuhete kanya kau niguo thondekere mundu ucio. What am I doing? What did I come to do? So I told them I am an artist, I'm a Kenyan who has come to Kenya to Kenya people. Okay. I have come here in to perform a cultural music for Kenyan Kikuyu. They checked the event. They said the event is already cancelled. So Kamau, on his side, he has already cancelled the event.
Now I understand. Okay, now because he was very, very disappointed about the organizer.
Yeah.
So he said, I don't want them to perform. I said, wait. I said to Joseph, wait, let me clear up. Don't cancel too quick, because I'm not the person who like to straight away do cancels, because you can always talk to people. You can always talk to people. And then he said, no, I know organizer don't want to deal. He will never pay. He don't want to listen. He don't even call you. He don't call me. So he probably still did it. But now they released you. So what did they say? Okay, you can perform and go back home?
Yeah, I have the letters. They wrote me a letter. I have actually a three-page letter. They wrote me a letter. So they said I perform tomorrow, then I go back. Immigration. I was arrested by immigration for 3 hours.
Yeah, I understand. But now only you? But why only you and not the others?
Actually, the others, the visa that Kamau had invited us, the visa, Kamau is the one who get the visa for us, who had the visa for us. So I, with my drummist, we are the one who were arrested. The DJ who wasn't yet here, we cleared everything. We cleared him everything. Yeah.
I don't know mamenye aini kuria marutaga mbeca ni kuraihu muno. Nderwo mundu ucio waku anga ni arenda gukoma nawe tondu atirahura nginya kuria murathi gukainira akauga ati horo uyo ekanjwo. Acoka he mutumia ahurira othe wi nginya kuria Ruraya. Amwira ati ona nini ati ni aguthigithira ati visa yakwa ati ni heto visa ya tourist na njukite ati ngemi ndarigwo amura ciana aria angi marauma UK na aria marauma Belgium na Greece na Switzerland kayo maheto visa ya guka gwika atia kaita kogo digiuma Kenya njoke event ko attend. I will buy a ticket ndero tutiri atheni ndecira renda gukoma nawe rafiki ucio waku.
Acha ni atuthigithire guku nake ature kuo.
Ni atuthigithire guku na ature kuo. Nero ona ngithigithira visa yakwa na ndina mwana ri ni no ngome na muthungu ndimwire I spoke to my babe, he agreed I sleep with you one rap then you release me.
Yeah. Nikati problem nigere. Gutiri hotie na guo gukorwo ati no agirie gukorwo kiria tu no miscommunication na miscommunication mundu ri acoka ninge hana tagi avoiru arenda andu aria angi mateithike
ona toni ya ng'arifanyiwa ile kitu ndakamake ndoire gwekaga atiriri rena nyone mugwicanuka mwangie guka na promoter ici njeru iramuriha goro na mubati kuriho 1,000 cia Kenya. Agikorwo mwanyitwo kwanza mwero muine na muinuke na dana kuma hau dana Kenya ni hau aje kuhura kau tugathie ati gukanjwo ndarigwo kae nake arenda guguciarithia na nduri na uterus
kuringana uguo nyitirwo noguo riu ngorirwo ndanyitwo nanie tondu no akimenya ni ndikiri mundu kiugo kiaragia na andu aya twaiguana na thigari icio riu twatuika arata riu no ndimudipotithio nake ndathona tangitura guku no ndiendauga areho kuria angore no menya gikorwo ni ndiraiga gukura ni airport iri kuria nyitu
no ageithio ni mwecimu wa Ruguru ni ndiramuona online amakite muno ndirenda wa Ruguru amenye to Kenya kwina gikuyu gia kiunuhu ona Jeremani no ucio ni umwe out of makiri na makiri aria maumite kundu kuraihu ate mundu no anyitithie mu Kenya wa mbere mu Kenya mu gikuyu mwenzake asoke mundu mugeria muiguane asoke ginya ona tiga toguo asoke ugate nie no athukirie visa ni ndire na invitation ya guka Jeremani ni ndirokite ndi mutari riu ndathi kugura nguo twi guku moro na mwana njoke ngure tigiti kuwiragurwo even bite attend event na ni ngathie ginya game ya Australia ni tuguthie game ya Doha Netogothie Karaiko Fest riu njikirite furana ya Karaiko Fest netogothie Karaiko Fest Kenya na no nginya twethere ciana citu na netogothie Karaiko Fest UK netogothie uria Suga Shabi ni aratu invite akoragwo Dallas auga ni agotubangira ngemi ya Dallas netogothie Dallas riu akorwo he promoter ungikiuga tutigagithie kuu ningi no akihure thimu
acha kabara riu kuu ndakinyite mbere otoria magikorire guku ngai wakwa akinyite tene ni ngai wa mami na ngai wa Kiraiko Master ni agukinyite andu acio manyenda mangenerera